Hello everybody, Mike here. Just wanted to do a quick video, show you a few things I got at an auction. And actually I'll start off with a little update. I never updated how much I got for that three-wheeler I sold, and it was pretty pitiful really. I bought it for $100 and got $130 for it on eBay, but by the time you figure in all the fees, all that stuff, I probably didn't make a whole lot, but at least I didn't lose a whole lot of money, and I bought an education. And it was a pretty easy sell. Didn't have to, obviously I didn't ship it or anything. Guy just came up with some money, actually PayPal'd me, and just came up and got it, so that worked out. I hit my favorite auction last night. This place is just, I love it for whatever reason. They seem to have things that are just up my alley. And I spent $2,300 last night, and I got loaded up. I can't even begin to describe all the stuff I got here, but I'm going to make a killing. I do know that. Got tons of old photographs there. I think I paid $30 for them. That whole box there, there's a few odds and ends on top, but it's full of antique Christmas ornaments. I'm going to do well on that. Got a box over here loaded down with train accessories, old Lionel metal train items, and my kids got into it, so there's some also dinosaurs and such in there. Actually I have a little bit of everything. I've got some old shaving stuff in there. Got some old bunches of old toys in there. Nothing really great, but there's 2 or 3 pieces in there that I was really after, and I only got that for $5. I'm gonna make just a killing on that one. I got a bunch of old items here: fishing reel, old card deck dexterity games, composition figures, lead figures, you name it. Bunches of old Manual and Barclay, and probably some other various lead soldiers, bunches of tin toys you can see in there. There's one old tin car there. These are pretty cool. This video's coming out pretty rough. These are a bunch of old medals and medallions and just things, tons of them. Got a real good deal in there. I think I paid $30 for that whole thing. I mean, I just got, oh brother, just bags and bags and bags of stuff. What else did I get? A whole bunch of little plastic figure things. I'm not sure I'll make much money on them. Well, I know I'll make money on them because there's something decent in there, but I just kind of got those because the opportunity presented itself. I didn't really see anything particular, but they were so cheap, couldn't help myself. These, oh boy, oh, they're together, I wonder. It's heavy. Sasha dolls, I think I paid $100 for that pair and $100 for another pair of them. Those things go, I think I'll probably get maybe $125 to $150, $170 a piece on eBay, so I'm gonna kill on those. What else is in there? Oh, bunches of old Steiff. I'm not sure how to pronounce those. Stuffed animals. Me killing on those. More ornaments. What else do I have here? This guy's pretty cool. I'm gonna pay $60 or $70 for that old airplane. I'll wind up getting maybe $150 to $200 for that one. Maybe a little less than that. I'll probably get $150 for it. It's in a little bit rough shape, but it's overall complete, minus the front wheels have a little bit of an issue. But there's old Pan Am tin toys. Clippers go for a mint on eBay. And again, just stuff, man. Tons of old toys. I love these old toys. No, Adam. Keep your little grubby mitts off those. You can look at them. Don't get too attached. Let's see, what else? Oh, lots of little dinosaur figures. I think those will be pretty neat. And I wasn't really going after them, but there's a whole big flat full of them, and nobody seemed interested, and I got them for $5. So what the heck? I know I'll make money off that. This entire box here is full of oh boy, train books. Just tons of them. I probably got 40, 50 Lionel train books in there. I'll make a killing on those. Old Lionel, I believe these are Lionel, have to double check. Locomotive, steam engines, obviously I'll do well on them. Like I said, all the cards there. So, just a quick little update here on some of the things I got. I'll be going through these, it'll probably take me a month and a half to get through all this, and as I do, I'll make some videos of, more detailed videos of some of the things that I'll be selling. So, There it is, man. I love auctions. You know, yard sales are great because you can get some extremely good deals on things. You know, better deals than you can find anywhere else probably. However, you know, you run half the day and you know you might spend 300-400 bucks if you're lucky. And for me, that's just not enough. I enjoy going out and doing it, but when it comes down to it, hitting good auctions is, in my opinion, where it's at because you can seriously load up in one shot. Take care, everybody. Subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Take care.